Yeah. Welcome to the channel again. This is the documentation progress or the process. Why my words failing me? But anyways, I am going to be documenting my process going through the new drum curriculum, the new Trinity drum curriculum, which I've been enjoying. So right now we're going to go through a grade 7 exercise, the first one, which also has been a lovely challenge. So thank you to Trinity School of Music for providing the information so that we can learn, grow and become better at our skills. So enjoy the process. Cheapers. Okay. Take 2 with no mistakes. Okay. 2, 3, 4. That's the grade 7 exercise number 1. That's just the first one, right? So yeah, please in the comment section let me know which one of your exercises is your favorite or what your drum exam experience has been, and then we can converse and have a conversation. So like and subscribe and I'll be able to do more. So thank you for watching.